In today's video, I'm going to teach you integrate Gmail into Trello with Cardbox. By the end, you'll have Gmail integrated directly into a Trello board so you can manage email conversations alongside tasks without switching tabs. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. This is the dashboard where all your boards live. Choose the board where you want email threads to show up. Pick the one that makes the most sense for your workflow. Maybe a shared team board for support or a personal planning board. Make sure you have permission to manage power-ups on that board. Usually, board admins can add them. If you're part of a larger workspace, your organization settings might control who can add apps, so keep that in mind. At the top of the board, find the Power-Ups option. Power-Ups are Trello's way of extending features with integrations and apps. Click it to open the panel, then select Add Power-Ups. This takes you into Trello's Power-Up directory for your board. If you don't see the button right away, expand the panel or scroll a bit. Trello's layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size. In the search bar, type Gmail by Cardbox. You're looking for the Cardbox integration that brings Gmail messages into Trello. When you see it, open its details to confirm it's the right tool and review its summary. Now click Add to install it on your board. This adds the power-up only to the board you're currently on, not every board in your workspace. You may see a confirmation screen. Click Add again to enable it. After it's enabled, you should notice the power-up listed on your board, and in many cases, a Cardbox or Gmail option available within card menus. A few helpful notes as you proceed. Depending on your plan, Trello may limit how many power-ups you can enable per board. If you hit a limit, consider disabling an unused one first. If you're in a managed workspace, there may be approval flows for new integrations. When you first start using the power-up, Cardbox may prompt you to connect a Gmail account. Follow the on-screen guidance when that appears, and only grant the minimum permissions you need. You can revisit or remove the power-up anytime from the same power-ups menu on the board. That's it. You've added Gmail by Cardbox to your Trello board, setting yourself up to track emails right alongside tasks, owners, and due dates. If this was helpful, keep building your workflow by standardizing labels and lists so incoming emails flow into a consistent process. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more connected Trello.